You're protective, and I'm really ready to go and tell someone else. Get it.
Some vaccine givers are getting doses directly from the federal government. It is happening in phases for community health centers. Several waiting in the tri-state are serving shots none saw coming.
Yeah, that's right. Sure, patients sound happy, but we found nurses injected with more joy. Reporter Larry Seward explains.
Armed with 100 doses of COVID-19 vaccine a week, wait lists 19 times longer. The Healthcare Connection's 7 community clinics do what other Ohio providers do not: welcome calls and answer them with a human, even though it overloaded phone lines and cost money to fix with no extra funding.
We felt that we needed to have that personal connection.
CEO Jolene Joseph expects to help patients with nowhere else to turn, but she's in awe of what's happening with people like Cheryl Coleman, a registered nurse for 2 decades who left office work for 11-hour days in clinic.
In the last hour and 15 minutes, I got 27 phone calls.
And non-stop questions.
This has probably been the most fulfilled that I've been in my life. I've given the vaccine to individuals, and they've received their second dose, who have not seen their grandchild, who are in tears when they walk out of here because there's a possibility that they may be able to see their grandkids again. I grew up in Lincoln Heights, went to Princeton High School. I'm a trusted face. I'm hearing people kind of come in a little fearful. So what I try to do is really sit down and kind of calm some of those fears. I talk about research study. I also share with them that I was a participant in the research study, and that really kind of perks people's ears up. The hardest part of my day is when I have to tell someone who walks in here no. I look at each vaccine as a life. Once a person's here, if they walk out our doors, we may not get them back. And so my hope is always that I can, offer them something, be able to say, well, if I can't do it today, I can do it tomorrow, or if I can't do it tomorrow, I can do it the next day. I really don't want them to get away. Again, we want to provide as many vaccines as we possibly can. It feels good, and I know that this is truly my purpose right now.
Thanks to a delivery from the National Guard, the Healthcare Connection has 400 doses up for grabs Saturday in Mount Healthy. The clinic's running from 9 a.m. to 3 in the afternoon. It is appointment only and only for people eligible in Ohio. You can call the Healthcare Connection to score one of those appointments. In Lincoln Heights, Larry Seward, WCPO 9 News.